students, I am Mr. Ram, math teacher of LPM Public School, Golabaya, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video, I have already explained about the rational number, but today I will explain most interesting topic, perimeter and area. First of all, I will explain what is perimeter of any shape. Perimeter of any shape means sum of length of boundary of that shape. Suppose that if you want to find out perimeter of a triangle, perimeter of triangle, perimeter of triangle. What is the perimeter of triangle? So first of all, I will draw rectangle. This is triangle ABC. Then what is the perimeter of this triangle? Perimeter of triangle means sum of length of boundary. Here boundary is AC, BC and AB. So perimeter of triangle ABC will be length of AB plus length of BC plus length of AC. If you consider length of AB is A and length of BC is B and length of AC is C unit. If length of AB is A unit, length of BC is B unit, then perimeter of triangle will be perimeter of triangle ABC will be equal to the AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. Here length of AB is A, so A plus B, length of BC is B unit. A plus B plus C unit. Because perimeter of any two-dimensional shape is the sum of length of boundary. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now, how to find perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Dear students, as you know, a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal called a square. So let us consider a square, A, B, C and D. This is square, so its all sides will be equal. Suppose that this is A unit and this is also A unit and this is also A unit and this is also A unit. So what is the perimeter of square? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Therefore, perimeter of square will be A plus A plus A plus A equal 4A unit. It means 4 into side unit. 4 into side unit. So perimeter of square will be 4 into side unit. It means यदि हम स्क्वायर के साइड में 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो हमको स्क्वायर का पेरीमीटर फाइंड हो जाएगा। और ट्रायंगल का पेरीमीटर कैसे फाइंड होगा? उसके आल साइड का तीनों साइड का लेंथ हम ऐड कर देंगे, हमको जो है पेरीमीटर का ट्रायंगल का पेरीमीटर फाइंड हो जाएगा। नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर पैरेललोग्राम। पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर एडी suppose this is rectangle ABCD in which AB equal A unit, BC is B unit. Dear students, as you know, rectangle is also a parallelogram, and parallelogram in which opposite sides parallel and equal. So if AB equal A unit, then it is confirmed BC equal real unit. If BC equal unit, then AD will be B unit. So perimeter of rectangle will be L plus B plus L plus B. L plus B plus L plus B. It means L plus L 2L plus B plus B 2B. Or we can write 2L plus B unit. This is the formula for finding perimeter of rectangle. Now, if it is a parallelogram, then it will be, if AB is L, then BC will be L, and BC will be, if BC is B, then AD will be B. So perimeter of parallelogram also will be 2L plus 2B. अगर यह पैरेललोग्राम है तो पैरेललोग्राम का भी जो है अपोजिट साइड पैरेलल होता है और इक्वल होता है। तो अगर पैरेललोग्राम का जो है L है तो क्या L होगा, अगर यह B है, यह साइड B है तो इस साइड क्या होगा B होगा। इसलिए पैरेललोग्राम का भी पेरीमीटर होगा 2 ब्रैकेट L plus B unit. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now, how to find perimeter of circle? Perimeter of circle. Perimeter of circle. Suppose that this is circle and this is center of the circle, and this is radius of circle, and radius of circle is R. So, dear student, I have already explained that perimeter of any shape is sum of length of boundary. So length of boundary of circle will be 2 pi r. So perimeter of circle is also known as circumference of circle. Perimeter of circle is also known as circumference of circle. And circumference of circle equal to the perimeter of circle. So perimeter of circle will be equal to the 2 pi r, where r is the radius of circle, where r is the radius of circle. Dear student, as you know, diameter the twice of radius, या radius twice of radius is diameter. So this will be the radius. So if OA equal R, if AB is diameter, then if OA equal R, then OB will be as well equal to R. So diameter, what will be diameter? R plus R. R plus R means 2R. So here 2R, we as pi multiplied 2r. So here 2 are the diameter, because diameter is the twice of radius. Radius is twice of radius is diameter. So it will equal to the pi into diameter. So perimeter of circle equal pi into diameter. So perimeter of circle equal to pi r. So perimeter of circle equal to pi r, where value of pi is equal 22/7, or value of pi in the decimal number will be 3.14 and so on. But we take value of pi is only 2 decimal places, and it will be equal to the 3.14 value of pi. So dear student, I hope that you can find the perimeter of triangle, perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, and perimeter of circle. So dear student, now I will explain some questions based on this formula. Question number 1 of exercise 15.1. Question number 1 of exercise 15.1. Question is, find the circumference of circle whose diameter is find the circumference of circle whose diameter is 84 centimeter. You have to find out circumference of circle or perimeter of circle. So dear student, as you know, I already told you circumference of circle or perimeter of circle equal pi into diameter. Value of pi is 22/7. Therefore, it will be equal to the 22/7 into value of diameter. Diameter is given 84 centimeter. Then it will be equal to the 84. Then it will be 7 to the 7 to the 14. Then 22 multiply 12 equal 12 to the 24 4 equal to 12 to the 24 plus 2 26. So 264 centimeter will be the circumference of circle whose diameter is 84 centimeter. Now question number 2 of exercise 15.1. Question number 2 is, find the circumference of circle whose radius is find the circumference of circle whose radius is given 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter. Then you have radius given 5.6 6 centimeter. You have to find out circumference. Circumference of circle equal circumference of circle equal 2 pi r. If radius is given, then formula for finding circumference of circle is 2 pi r. 2 multiply value of pi is 20 by 7, then 2 multiply 20 by 7 multiply value of r is 5.6 centimeter. So 5.6 centimeter. Now 7 8 are 56. Here is 0.8. Now 22 multiply 2 will be 44, and 44 multiplied by 8. 44 multiplied by 8. 8 4 are 32. 2 carry 3. 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 3 35. Then it will be equal to the 35.2 centimeter. So circumference of circle will be 35.2 centimeter, whose radius is 5.6 centimeter. Now next question. In this question you have to find out diameter of circle, whose circumference is. In this question circumference is given, and you have to find out diameter of circle. Find the question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find the diameter of circle. Find the diameter of circle, whose circumference is whose circumference is 2.2 centimeter. 2.2 centimeter. Dear students, you have to find out diameter and circumference is given. So dear students, as you know, circumference of circle equal pi into diameter. In this question, circumference of circle is given. Circumference of circle is 2.2. Therefore 2.2 equal value of pi is 20 by 7 multiply diameter. So diameter equal 7 multiply 2.2 upon 22. So when we cut 2.2 by, then it will be 2.2 and here will be 10, and 7 by 10 will be 0.7 centimeter. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you, and you can do all these type of questions at your home very easily. So in this video I will explain other question which is based on this topic. Thank you so much.